Imagine a cat so big it could look a grizzly bear in the eye. But wait, is it real or just a myth? Stick around to find out. Meet the liger, the supersized offspring of a lion and a tiger. Ligers are the biggest big cats on Earth, growing over 900 pounds. That's heavier than a grand piano. They never stop growing. Their bodies forget to hit the brakes, making them gigantic. Unlike lions, ligers love water and can actually swim better than most cats. And here's a crazy myth. Some people think ligers were once wild animals that went extinct. Nope, they've never existed in the wild. They only happen when lions and tigers meet in captivity, and their roar, it's a creepy mix of a lion's bellow and a tiger's chuck. Imagine hearing that at night. Now, if you don't hit like and subscribe, a liger might just show up at your door asking for snacks. And trust me, you do not want to say no to a 900-pound kitty.